Mommy wakes up every day, helping us in every way. Let's be kind and help out too. That's the loving thing to do. Pick up toys from off the floor, put them back and clean some more. Mommy smiles so big and bright, helping parents feel so right. Daddy carries heavy things, fixing stuff and tightening strings. Let's help Daddy every day with a hug before we play. Wash the dishes, wipe the table, helping out when we are able. Little hands can do great things. Joy and love are what it brings. Say thank you, loud and clear. Give kind words that parents hear. Happy hearts and happy days. Love grows big in many ways. Fold the clothes and make the bed. Listen to what parents said. Helping hands and caring hearts, that's where family love starts. Respect Mom and Dad each day. Help with love in every way. Big hugs, smiles, and kindness too. Happy homes begin with you.